This is a consonant sound. It's pronounced mm. I make this sound by closing my lips and letting the sound come through my nose. Mm. I can even feel my nose vibrating. You try. Mm. You can hear this sound at the beginning of the word more, in the middle of the word hammer, at the end of the word some, and at the beginning and end of the word mime. Now you try. Listen and repeat. More. Hammer. Some. Mime. Good. It may be difficult to hear the difference between this sound, and two similar sounds, the sound n that you hear at the end of the word sun, and the sound ng that you hear at the end of the word sung. Now listen carefully and watch the shape of my mouth as I say these words. Some, sun, sung, rum, run, rung. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Some, sun, sung, rum, run, rung. Good. This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the word nice, in the middle of the word funny, at the end of the word sun, and at the beginning and end of the word none. In English, we make this sound with the tongue behind the teeth. N. And when you make this sound, you should be able to feel a vibration in your nose. N. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Nice. Funny. Sun. None. Okay. It can be difficult to tell the difference between this sound, n, and another similar consonant, n, which is made much further back in the mouth. Listen to these examples. Sun, sung. Can you hear the difference? Let's try. You repeat after me. Sun, sung, sun, sung. Here are some more examples. Listen first. Pin, ping, ran, rang, thin, thing, wind, winged. Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Pin, ping, ran, rang, thin, thing, wind, winged. Okay. This is a consonant sound. Now in English, you will never find it at the beginning of a word because it only comes at the end of a syllable. So you find it in the middle of the word anger, and the middle of the word thanks, and at the end of the word rung. Now we make this sound towards the back of the mouth. And if you do this sound correctly, you can feel a vibration in your nose. Now let's practice. Listen to these examples and repeat after me. rung, anger, thanks. Okay. Now it can be difficult to hear the difference between this sound, and another similar consonant, n. Listen carefully. Rung, run, rung, run. Now ng is made at the back of the mouth and n is made behind the teeth. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Rung, run, rung, run. Now let's have some more examples. Listen first. Tongue, ton, wing, win, robbing, robin, singer, sinner. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Tongue, ton, wing, win, robbing, robin, singer, sinner. Okay. This is a voiceless consonant. It makes very little sound because it's really just your breath. You can hear it at the beginning of the word here. You can also hear it at the beginning of the words hot and hello, and in the middle of the word ahead. In English, you will never hear this sound at the end of syllables and words. You only find it at the beginning of the syllable. Now let's listen to some examples. Here, hot, hello, ahead, height, hedge, how. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Here, hot, hello, ahead, height, hedge, how. Okay. This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the word light, in the middle of the word valley, at the end of the word bell, and at the beginning and end of the word level. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Light, valley, bell, level. Okay. Speakers of some languages may find it difficult to tell the difference between this sound, l, and another consonant, r. Now listen carefully to hear the difference between the following two words and watch the position of my mouth. Light, right, light, right. I make the l sound with the front part of my tongue behind my teeth, and I make the r sound by making my lips come out and pulling my tongue back. R. Now listen to some examples and watch the shape of my mouth. Lead, red, clash, crash, climb, crime, lice, rice, lock, rock. Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Lead, red, clash, crash, climb, crime, lice, rice, lock, rock. Okay. In English, l at the beginning of the syllable is a bit different from l at the end of a syllable. Listen carefully. Leaf, feel, leaf, feel, and let, tell, let, tell. Did you hear that little difference? Listen again. L, 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 l. Now for some speakers of English, this can change the vowel a little bit. Listen again. Loaf, foal, loaf, foal, and lute, tool, lute, tool. Now this can actually make the l sound disappear at the end of a syllable. So I can say pal or pow. I can say pill or pill. Mile, mile. Milk, milk. Cold, cold. So be careful, there's a bit of a difference. This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the words right and wrong, and in the middle of the words sorry and arrange. Now watch my mouth while I'm saying this sound. My lips come out and I pull my tongue back. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. Right, wrong, sorry, arrange. Okay. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between this sound, and another consonant, Now listen carefully to the following examples and watch the shape of my mouth. For each example, I'll say the word with the sound first. Wrong, long, royal, loyal, misread, misled, pirate, pilot, pray, play. Now let's practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Wrong, long, royal, loyal, misread, misled, pirate, pilot, pray, play. Okay. Now in standard Southern English, you won't usually hear this sound at the end of a syllable or word. Listen to the following examples. Car, card, board, hear, heard. Okay, let's practice these. Listen and repeat. Car, card, board, hear, heard. Now you will hear this sound at the end of a word if the following word begins with a vowel. Listen to the following two sentences. This is my car. My car is blue. In the first sentence, this is my car, you don't hear the sound because it's at the end of the sentence. In the second example, my car is blue, the following word is begins with a vowel. So let's practice this. Car, car is, my car is, my car is blue. Okay. This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the words wet and one and when, and in the middle of the word beware. You can also hear it in the words quick and queen. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Wet. One. When. Beware. Quick. Queen. Okay. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between this sound, which you find at the beginning of the word wet, and another sound, which you find at the beginning of the word vet. Now listen carefully as I say these words, and watch my lips. Wet, vet, wet, vet. Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat. Wet, vet. Now let's look at some more examples. Listen first and watch my lips. Worse, verse, while, vile, west, vest, wary, vary. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Worse, verse, while, vile, west, vest, wary, vary. Okay. This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the words yet, use, yellow, and useful. Now some consonants also take this sound when they come before the vowel oo. Listen. Beauty, few, cute, accuse. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Yet, use, yellow, useful, beauty, few, cute, accuse. Okay.